In this video, what you'll need to check when sourcing a battery, as well as a step-by-step replacement with the tools you need, and what to expect after installation. There's a good reason for disconnecting the negative terminal first, and that's all explained in this video somewhere on the screen. So if you need to, pause this one and go and watch that one first. Next, you'll need to loosen one nut on the hold-down bracket to remove the J-bolt. Take note of where it hooks into down at the base, because it's not that obvious when you put it back. Then just unhook the bracket at the back. Now on this Yaris, the battery dimensions are quite specific to the battery bracket, so I'll share some info on that a bit later. For now, start the installation in the reverse order with the positive terminal or the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. The battery used for this installation was a 47 amp hour EFB, but you'll have to compare these dimensions to your bracket, especially the width and height. There were no warning lights on startup, so you'll just need to set the time. Press and hold the button for about 3 seconds. On release, the hour should start flashing, which you can adjust by pressing the button. Leave it for about 3 seconds until the minutes start flashing and adjust accordingly. The radio didn't need a radio code either after eventually getting it to switch on. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.